Hi, this is Ken Montville with www.mdsuburbs.com in the Maryland suburbs of DC. As you can see, we still have quite a bit of snow, but the temperatures have been a lot warmer, so the snow is melting. And when the snow melts, what's going to happen is all that water is going to try to find its way into your basement, especially that snow that's piled up against the walls of your house. Now, as you can see here, we have a little grassy area underneath my deck, and that's exactly where my sump pump has been discharging water that's been trying to find its way inside my house. Luckily, my sump pump works great, and the water is being pumped out intermittently as the water inside the sump well gets high enough to activate the pump. What that means is my basement is now nice and dry. Hope your sump pump is working. Make sure that it's plugged in or it's operating properly so that your basement stays dry too. Very important. This is Ken Montville at www.mdsuburbs.com. Thanks for listening, and I'll talk to you next time.